How to create a simple capsule meal plan so that you can eat healthy, make it simple, do it quickly, and make it extremely satisfying for you and your family. I'm Jackie Ulmer. Welcome to lowertoxiclife.com and grab my free grocery shopping and label reading guide over there. Now, you've likely heard of a capsule wardrobe, right? That's 15 to 25 core pieces that you mix and match and use regularly. And then you have accessories like scarves and hats and jewelry and belts. Men, not trying to exclude you. Ladies, that's more for you. But I think you all know exactly what I mean. So today, let's talk about how to build your plan and create something simple that you can use over and over again so that you can clean up and lower tox your diet and nutrition. Now, the core pieces of your capsule meal plan are going to include healthy proteins, healthy fats, slow carbs, and fiber. Fiber is one of those things that often gets overlooked, but it's so important to fuel our gut, keep our microbiome healthy, keep all of our systems running smoothly, including elimination. And when you factor in these core pieces into your meal plan, you're going to eat healthy, eat nutritious, fuel your body effectively, and you're going to create satiety, which is so important so that we stop snacking and stop reaching so often for those ultra processed foods. So what are those proteins? Well, ideally, I like to choose grass-fed or wild-caught. I am an animal protein consumer. And so if that's not you, you're going to want to figure out for yourself, plant-based, what's going to be the best choices for you. I like to make sure that I'm buying from sustainable, humane manufacturers, which are out there. I use ButcherBox. Check the link below and I can share a link with you. And again, we tend to think that it has to be a large amount of protein, but that rule of palm size really is true. I have a scale that I weigh my protein on, not regularly, but I do it to begin with. And then that gives me an idea. And then I know each time, what is 3 ounces? How many grams of protein does that contain? How many grams of fiber does this contain? So I'm not going to suggest that you weigh all your food, but it is an option so that you can begin to figure those out. So protein, you're going to choose from grass-fed, wild-caught, sustainable, and humane. Now, for healthy fats, I like to choose from avocados, olives, olive oil, avocado oil, butter or ghee, nut butters, and nuts. Those are examples of good, healthy fats. And then slow carbs are those things like green vegetables, cruciferous vegetables, which include cabbage, Brussels sprouts, asparagus, broccoli. And then I also like to factor in some of the higher carb, higher glycemic products in that category, like sweet and white potatoes, but I will only consume those maybe 2 to 3 times a week. And I typically consume those on days when I'm working out just to get that extra burn. And then in terms of fiber, I like to use things like certainly green vegetables, fruits have fibers, not the juice, the whole fruit. But then I use chia seeds, flax seeds, pumpkin seeds, sunflower seeds, hemp seeds. Seeds are a great source of fiber. And in the link below, I will take you to the recipe for my seed cycling protocol. And that gives me anywhere from 21 to 25 grams of fiber per meal. And that is more than half. Well, it's more than what I need. Really, as a female, right around 25 is the mark. I say if you can, strive for anywhere from 25 to 50, but see how that settles for you in your body. And then for those accessories that we can accessorize that meal plan with, that's where your sauces, your sides, your salads and dressings come in. Mushrooms, bacon, and onion, I like to saute those together and serve those over salmon. That not only gets me a slow carb, extra fiber, and a healthy fat, but it's very satiating and it feels like such a fabulous treat. Strawberries and feta cheese, mustard sauce with mustard, lemon, olive oil, capers, avocados, olives, artichoke hearts. These are all ideas of things that you can use for accessories that, again, fuel your body well, are highly nutritious and low glycemic, and aren't going to be in that ultra processed category. Now, make sure that you're subscribed to the channel so you don't miss anything. And I highly recommend that you grab my guide for shopping and reading food labels at lowertoxiclife.com. Next up, what you're going to want to watch is my video on processed and ultra processed foods.